I'm gonna give you one more option. Either you pay or you go to jail. Either you pay the bill.
109.
That is your balance due. 109 is your take.
Okay. I don't know what to do now.
On July 19th, 2025, Tampa Airport Police responded to a fraud complaint at Tampa International Airport involving a $109 unpaid restaurant bill. This case demonstrates the application of Florida Statute, Section 509.151, defrauding an innkeeper. The statute makes it a second-degree misdemeanor to obtain food or lodging valued under $300 with intent to defraud. Critically, the law creates a presumption of fraudulent intent when a person refuses or willfully neglects to pay upon demand.
I tried to pay it. I don't know what to do. I don't have my card because I left it in the bar. You can call that place. Will you want me to come with you? I'll go with you. Talk to you somewhere privately.
Okay, well you gotta pay your tab.
You can't do it on my with my.
We're talking right now.
I was like private. You got somewhere like a room here?
What do we need to talk privately?
I don't know. What do you want to talk to me for? I'll talk to you right here.
You owe a
Told
bill.
you.
You owe a bill too.
Yeah,
Okay, so what's going on?
I don't know.
Well,
I
he
paid it on my
sat there and
phone.
he was in there for a while.
It did not
and
work.
he didn't pay.
I do it then. I don't know what to do.
Hold on.
You didn't pay
Okay.
because we checked,
Okay.
and he hasn't paid. He left his visa
I'll
over
leave
there.
my
He flung
passport.
his visa at us.
Sorry, pay on that.
And
I didn't realize it. I dropped it. I'm sorry. Okay. Let me
he tried
try.
to show us his phone. He's flinging his phone
I
at us.
drank a little bit at your bar. Can I go over there and pay?
Yeah, you want to go over there and pay.
How much?
Those are the
They
options.
picked
You don't have a lot of options.
Nobody picked you
You're
up.
telling me to do.
Nobody picked you up.
Thanks, guys. You're escorting me back. They wouldn't pay with it. I was like,
You have
yeah,
the
you
means to
should
pay for the bill?
go. Absolutely. I tried to pay myself.
Okay.
But my card they fell behind the bar when I was trying to buy a drink there. No,
Okay.
you could pick it up for me. They wouldn't do it.
Well, if you pay for your bill, we won't have any issues.
I don't know if you want to talk to you guys, but I will if you guys go to private. I can't talk here. Honestly.
Well, there's nothing to talk about in private. You need to pay for the bill or you're going to go to jail, so. Okay, I'm just saying.
What?
I got your visa. You don't have any credit cards on it?
Nope. You check my bag.
So how are you
The only
planning?
one I got.
So you're planning on paying with
Yeah,
your
it's
phone,
on the
right?
table, man. What the hell's going on?
Well, you walked out on a $100 tab. That's what's going
I
on.
tried to tip her $100 here.
No, I don't want your
All
phone.
right,
Hold on, Tampa. Just hold on to
I'll
your
wait for
phone.
you. Here, guys.
He's getting the
Down.
tab. He's
Let's set it
sit
down.
down.
We do this 100 times a day. Okay. Whenever payment comes up, it processes the princess receipt, it drops off the register. In the event that it doesn't drop off the register, there's a button that we can push that prompts the payment to come up. Neither of which were done. I have a full receipt here with more payment on it. If there was payment, there should be a receipt that he can provide to you.
I'm going to give you one more option. Either you pay or you go to jail. Either you pay the bill.
109. I'm standing at the table, bro.
109. That is your balance due. 109 is your take.
Okay. I don't know what to do now. I don't know what to do about that. I'm going to go to the hotel where it's at. You drive me there. It's at Opal or something in Clearwater. I paid for it already. You can ask the bartender. He has my card. I left it there. Opal Hotel.
You have another way of paying.
I do not.
Okay.
I don't know what you want me to do, man. I flew here. I fell asleep on a plane. I really don't. I have money. I just...
Prosecute?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
There we go.
Well, if you have no way of paying,
No, right now.
you're going to go to jail.
I want to pay and no one will bail me out, so I don't know what to do. No one would bail me out last
Okay,
time.
what's wrong with your phone? Why won't
Well,
it
it
work?
died, so I came here to charge it, and it don't work on this. Can I just pick it up there? Like, you can do Uber shit. Can I Uber it? I'm sorry, there's some misunderstanding. I might not speak English sometimes.
You don't speak English?
Sometimes.
That doesn't make any.
Jamaica.
You're
Well, I speak
speaking perfect
multiple
English.
languages, so
Okay.
am I not speaking
So
English?
what's the issue with the
I don't know if you guys
payment?
aren't understanding.
Do you not have the funds to pay for it?
No, I paid.
Did not pay.
On my phone.
It did not go through.
phone.
I don't want your
Where's one in the
phone.
bill?
If you're not paying this now, understand you are about to go to
All
jail.
right, let me try it.
It's your last
Stand
chance.
here
It's
till I
your
try
last
again.
chance.
Okay.
Keep paying this place. Which one? Two of them. Tell me, please. I don't know what I'm doing.
Scan this one.
Okay, scan the wrong one 3 times.
Just scan it. Or you, stop playing games and scan it. Okay, do you not have a card with you?
I don't have it. Look, that's everything. Look through everything. Please, I can't find my card or I'll pay. I really can't find it. There's nothing illegal. I just can't find my card. If you can find it, I'll call him. Hold on, I know his number.
Okay, if you knew you didn't have the card, why would you come here and order food?
And it don't work, apparently.
Okay, but wouldn't you verify it with them that it worked? It doesn't work because you don't have a physical card with you.
And I
That's
didn't
why
need
it doesn't
I
work.
called and they said I didn't need it because I had to Uber myself. I'll do that. I got Uber. Watch
Okay.
this. Right there. I'm not even picking it up. I already need it.
You knew when you sat down.
Yes, that I
that
did
you
not
needed
have
a
the card. No, I did not have a card.
Then why would you order food?
Because I called first and they said they didn't need the card. I can just oop. Never mind. Hold on, let me do that. I should have done it in the first place. I thought you. I probably made a mistake. 1 second. I'll Uber myself right there, and I'm not getting it.
That's his?
I'm gonna Uber myself.
You said Uber yourself?
Uber? Yeah, food to right there because I eat it. Hold
No,
on.
you're going to be in the back of a police car going to
Hold on,
jail
I've
in
been
about
there.
20
Look, I just
seconds.
got 52
I don't even want to hear what you say. If you can't pay the bill, sir, you're going to
Uber
jail.
Eats right now, myself, right here. 1 second, please watch. If I don't, you take me to jail.
No, that's going to happen anyway. But it's not. Let's make a deal.
It's not working. I'll call a lawyer. It's not working. I don't know what to do. I mean, I don't know what else to do. It's not working. That's not working. I'm working. I'm here. Picture of my shirt. Net experts in my bag. See it? I'm on a job. I work. Came here to do a job. I want to go.
Explain to us.
I don't live here. I don't live here.
I don't understand. But
I
you
live in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Ordered a service.
No, I flew in business.
Stop. You ordered food.
Yes.
You had no means of paying for it, and you knew that.
Now I do, right? You're not waiting. I'm doing it right now. I have to remember my password, so give me 1 second, man. You guys are fast here. Wait, I typed the wrong email. 1 second. New email. My wife stole my phone in Pittsburgh. 1 second. Or take me somewhere to use my phone while it was locked, because it's easier to do standing here. Open Uber Eats app.
You can't pay them with Uber Eats.
No, I can. They called me online. They called me on the phone. I know. So wait 1 second. I have the app, actually. Just open the app. Verify that, please.
No, I'm not verifying anything.
Can I have my passport back then before we go to jail?
I'm not
I need it. I don't
verifying
have my ID.
anything.
I need
You're
a
not.
passport.
You're not in position to
They have
ask
my
for anything.
passport, I
sir.
think. So I need it back.
They need their money also.
Give me my passport. I give them the passport.
That's not. Let's make a deal. So you're going to jail with us. You can't pay the bill, and they can figure out the other stuff after.
Can I walk or you want to take it like outside?
I can hear you.
You take me outside?
As soon as we're finished, you're going.
I gotta pay for it. Can I get my bag? Sure.
Wait.
Net
Sit there.
experts. 1 second.
Okay, good to go.
Bag.
All right, turn around.
Okay.
Hands behind your back.
Thanks, guys. I appreciate this. I'm getting embarrassed. I'm gonna go outside. It's in the bag. Net experts. Please look at my shirt. Because that's what I'm here for. Let's go outside. Don't tase.
Got all
This
the other
time.
information too.
Trifling here? I didn't do anything. I'm not a bad guy. My mom won't tell me her dad's last name, and I googled it, and she's gonna me. So talk to me. You got cameras. I'm not doing anything. I'll pay right now. Try it 3 times. You guys know this. So what's up? Where do we go?
So you're going to go to the back of the police car
Okay.
and then order in jail.
Can I call somebody first? My mom? I'm not in jail yet.
Yeah, that's
I want to talk to my
fine.
lawyer then before I go. You need to arrest me yet? Hey. Help you out. Yes, sir. Hope you don't mind if I lean on your car for a second. I really do have it. You gotta be scared.
Taking your belt off.
Go ahead. My pants will probably stay on. I'll just pay for that. Apparently. 52 days. That's why I'm beard now. Just a shave. They don't give me a razor.
All right, I'm gonna go over here.
Okay.
All right, sir. Here's the deal, right? I'm gonna pat you down and search you, okay?
Yes, sir.
You gonna be compliant?
Absolutely. I'm always compliant with you guys. I like you guys. My brother's living in the neighborhood for 7
Okay.
years. Just quit. If you get a set reward, I'll pay it.
Turn around.
Yes, sir. Do it every time. I'll
Spread
do
your
it.
legs for me,
Yes,
please.
sir. Absolutely.
Number wider.
Yep. I don't do that. You can check my arm. Just take my shirt off. I'll show you my name. It's on my arm. Literally, I tattooed it in case when I go to Jamaica, someone cuts my head off. Sorry, guys. You can shoot it again. I'll hold it up. I can. I just missed you. You're too fast. Just put it up and I'll hold it with my legs. I understand what you meant.
Hold them
now.
with your
In
hands.
case-
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
I wanted to go there anyway.
Officers had probable cause based on 3 elements: eyewitness accounts from restaurant staff, physical evidence of the unpaid bill, and the subject's own admissions. Under Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, officers have full authority to arrest for misdemeanor offenses committed in their presence, even those punishable only by fine. The subject's constantly changing explanations, cards fell behind the bar, phone died, wife stole his phone, constitute classic indicators of fraudulent intent. Officers demonstrated exceptional de-escalation by providing 6 minutes of opportunities to resolve the matter civilly before proceeding with arrest. This patience exceeds legal requirements and demonstrates proper exercise of law enforcement discretion in fraud cases. The search incident to arrest was lawful under United States v. Robinson, which permits full search of arrestees before placement in vehicles. From a constitutional perspective, the Fourth Amendment requires only that arrests be supported by probable cause. Here, the refusal to pay, despite multiple demands, combined with inability to demonstrate any payment method, clearly satisfied that standard. The Tampa Airport Police officers receive a grade of B+. They acted lawfully throughout, provided extensive de-escalation opportunities, and maintained professionalism despite the subject's evasive behavior. Minor deductions reflect opportunities for improved communication discipline when multiple officers speak simultaneously. The subject receives a grade of F. He committed the underlying crime by consuming food without means to pay, then compounded the situation with dishonest and contradictory explanations. Each changing story provided prosecutors with additional evidence of fraudulent intent under Florida law's prima facie evidence provision. His failure to remain silent or request counsel immediately resulted in numerous self-incriminating statements that will strengthen the prosecution's case. The only positive aspect was his physical cooperation during arrest, which prevented additional charges for resisting without violence. Key lessons from this case. First, verify your ability to pay before ordering food. Consuming meals without payment means is criminal fraud, not a civil dispute. Second, if confronted by law enforcement, dishonest explanations destroy credibility and provide evidence of criminal intent. Third, exercise your Fifth Amendment right to silence. Every contradictory statement becomes courtroom evidence against you. Fourth, understand that fraud for even small amounts carries real consequences: arrest, prosecution, criminal record, and potential jail time up to 60 days. Fifth, officers are not required to accept excuses or negotiate. Once probable cause exists, arrest is within their lawful discretion. This case exemplifies proper fraud investigation procedure. Officers gave every reasonable opportunity for civil resolution before exercising arrest authority. The subject's choice to provide false explanations rather than honest communication sealed his fate under Florida's criminal fraud statute. Following his arrest, the subject was booked into Hillsborough County Orient Road Jail on charges of defrauding an innkeeper under Florida Statute 509.151. He faces up to 60 days in jail, a $500 fine, and was banned from all Tampa International Airport property for 1 year. The restaurant also retains the right to pursue civil damages. What's your analysis of this case? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more legal analysis of police interactions, and check out our second channel, Street Law, for additional content.